Hello students, this is Subhan sir. Today we will start exercise 4.4. But before proceeding, we will understand the concept of nature of roots. So a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. We know that the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Then there are three conditions. First one, two distinct real roots. Okay, a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c has, if it has two distinct real roots, then the condition will be b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Okay, if we calculated the value of b square minus 4ac from the quadratic equation and the value is positive, that means greater than 0, then there will be two distinct real roots. Distinct means different. So two different real roots will be there. And suppose if the value of b square minus 4ac is 0, then there will be two equal real roots. For example, the value of b square minus 4ac is 0, then for example the roots will be either 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, like that. Then third condition, no real root. If b square is minus 4ac is less than 0. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there will be no real root. That means there will be imaginary root, or we can say the values will be under root. For example, 1 plus root 3, 5 plus root 6, like that we will obtain the value of the roots. So this value b square minus 4ac is generally called as discriminant. It is called as discriminant. So if discriminant is positive, then there will be two distinct real roots. If discriminant is 0, then there will be two equal real roots, and if discriminant is negative, then there will be no real root. Now we will start with the questions. So first question, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. So if there is a real root, then we will find them. So first of all, we have to check whether the equation is having real root or not. So first of all, we will calculate the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Now look at the question. The equation is there, and first of all from this equation we will write the values of a, b and c. Here a is 2, coefficient of x square, b is minus 3, and c is equal to 5. Now we will put all these values into the equation b square minus 4ac. So b square, so minus 3 whole square minus 4ac, so 4 multiply a, that is 2, c, that is 5. So it will be equal to minus 3 square is plus 9, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So 9 minus 40, that is minus 31, and it is less than 0. So if it is less than this implies that from the condition that which we are having, if discriminant is negative, that means less than 0, then there will be no real roots. So we will write, hence there exists no real root. Hence there exist no real roots. Now second question, question number second, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So in this question we will see whether the value of discriminant is positive, negative or 0. So first of all we will write the value of a, b and c. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to plus 4. Now we will put the values in the formula b square minus 4ac, that is equal to b square, that means minus 4 root 3 whole square, minus 4ac, so 4 multiply with a, that is 3, and c, that is 4. So it will become, first of all, square of 4, that means 16, square of root 3. So when we multiply root 3 into root 3, we will get 3. Okay, so it will be equal to 16 into 3, and square of negative sign is always positive. So ultimately we will get 16 multiply 3, that is 48. Okay, then minus sign, 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So 48 minus 48, and it is equal to 0. So here the value of d is equal to 0. That means here d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then when the value of d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then with what condition we were having, that if it is equal to 0, then there will be two equal real roots. So there will be two equal real roots, and now we will write, hence there are two equal real roots. Real roots. Now we will find which are the two real roots. So first of all, the equation is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, since we have calculated the value of d as 0, so we can directly apply the quadratic formula, that is equal to x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac and whole divided by 2a. Since the value of b square minus 4ac is 0, so we can write it as minus b plus minus 0 and divided by 2a. Now we will put the values. So minus b is what? Minus 4 root 3. So minus of minus 4 root 3 plus minus 0 divided by 2a. So 2 multiply a, and a is 3. So 2 multiply 3. So you will get minus of minus 4 root 3, that means 4 root 3 positive, divided by 2 3s are 6. Now divide them. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So it will become 2 root 3 upon 3. Okay, but as it is given here that plus minus sign is there, that means we will write here plus minus 0. So this value will exist two times, 2 root 3 upon 3. First of all, 2 root 3 upon 3 plus 0, 2 root 3 plus 0 upon 3, and 2 root 3 minus 0 upon 3. That means there will be two values which will exist, and two equal roots are there. Now question number 3rd. (2x square minus 6x plus 3). So here also we will write the values of a, b and c. A is 2, b is minus 6, c is equal to 3. So value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So square of b, that means square of minus 6. So minus 6 whole square, then minus 4 multiply a, that is 2, then c, that is 3. So it will become minus 6 whole square is square of 6, 36. Then minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 36 minus 24, that is equal to 12. And 12 is a positive number, that means it is greater than equal to, it is greater than 0. So if it is greater than 0, that means there will exist two distinct real roots. Hence there are two distinct real roots. Distinct means two different values of roots will be there. That means two different real roots will be there when we solve the equation. Now we will solve the equation with the help of quadratic formula, that is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we will put all the values here. So minus b is minus 6, so minus of minus 6 plus minus the value of square root of 12. Since b square minus 4ac is equal to 12, so here I will write the value of minus 6 plus minus under root and value of b square minus 4ac, that is 12, whole divided by 2a, whole divided by 2a. So 2 multiply a, so a is what? 2 here, so 2 into 2, so it will become minus of minus 6, that means 6 plus minus square root of 12. So square of 12 will be 2 root 3. Okay, how we calculated the square root? That means how we will calculated the square root? Here I have written 2, 12. 2 divide 12 6 times, 2 divide 6 3 times, and 3 divides 1. So 2 is having a pair, that means 2 can be written, and 3 is not having a pair, that means it will be under the root. So its value is 2 root 3, whole divided by 2 to the 4. So divided by 4. Now we can take 2 common from these two terms. So if we take 2 common, it will become 3, 2 3 is a 6 plus root 3 and whole divided by 4, and this 2 will divide 4 2 times. This 2 will divide 4 2 times, and you will get 3 plus minus root 3 upon 2. That means there will be 2 answer, 3 plus root 3 divided by 2 and 3 minus root 3 divided by 2. So there will be 2 answer, the 2 values of x, that is 3 plus root 3 upon 2 and 3 minus root 3 upon 2. So in this way you have to solve all these questions. Some more questions regarding the same concept I will give you as a homework, and practice them well. Thank you.